So I've been using my iPhone 15 Pro for quite some time now. It's been almost 3 years. It's been the longest lasting phone I've ever used. I thought I was going to upgrade this phone like a year after I bought it, but I never really did that. And so far, the thing I can tell you is that this device has been holding up pretty well. But my battery cycle count, so the amount of times my battery has kind of cycled through it, like 0 to 100 basically the whole time, is basically at like 726. So that is a pretty massive battery, cycle count on my iPhone 15 Pro. And although the battery life isn't as great as it used to be, although it's definitely gone down, I still personally feel like this is still a pretty decent battery life that I'm still getting on my iPhone 15 Pro, all things considered. Again, it's not beating a 17 Pro, it's not beating any current generation iPhone or Android that came out, but I'm still kind of enjoying my experience with something, like my iPhone 15 Pro. And the fact that I'm still getting a really decent experience from it makes me feel really good about even upgrading to my next device. Right? When I go and upgrade to my next iPhone, it makes me feel very good that I don't have to worry about keeping it only for a year and then moving on from it because, I've had to do that on my previous devices. So I feel like that's a really nice thing kind of going on here as well. So all in all, I'm very excited about it. I'm curious to see what's going to end up happening in the future, but so far that's pretty much my idea is I don't plan on upgrading or changing my iPhone 15 Pro's battery cycle count anytime soon. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.